Interfaces. Interfaces are a set of common behaviors that are implemented by multiple classes. Interfaces can only have constants and methods without a body. So the interface really can't do anything, it's just a pattern. You cannot instantiate an interface, so it means that you cannot create the object of it. An interface does not contain any constructors. An interface is not extended by a class. It is implemented, however, by one or more classes. A class can implement multiple interfaces. So basically, an interface simply is saying, I can do these things, right? So we give a promise to the compiler, so to speak. So in our example, we first define drivable as the interface. So this interface has two methods that are named turn left and turn right with no body, right? Car and motorcycle are the classes that implement this interface. So it means that both of the classes can turn left and can turn right. So the turn left and turn right methods, they must be implemented in the car and motorcycle classes. It's an absolute obligation. All right, so I think that's pretty clear. Why don't we do up some examples with an interface? So go back to the object-oriented programming project, right-click on the source folder and select New Interface, and specify a package name. So let's call it interface class. And then the interface name, drivable. So an interface only declares method names without a body. So we must implement all methods of interface. So let's declare two void methods with no body in the drivable interface. So the first method is turn left, and the second method is turn right. Remember to save the code. Okay, so let's create a new subclass. So right-click on the interface class package and select New Class. Specify the class name as car. Now we can add implements as a keyword after the class definition of car. Car implements drivable, means that turn left and turn right are the methods in the drivable interface, and they must be implemented in the car class. But hold on, you say, we get a compilation error. So let's hover the mouse pointer on the car class, and Eclipse shows us a quick fix dialog. Okay, so we must implement an abstract method turn left and turn right in the car class. Okay then. So then we select Add Unimplemented Methods, and then Eclipse automatically adds these methods with the override annotation. You thought I was losing my mind. So let's fill the rest of these methods. In the turn left method, we print car can turn left as a message by using the print method. In the turn right method, we print car can turn right as our message by using the print method, and we save the code. Okay, so now let's create a new subclass. Just right-click on the interface class package and specify the class name as motorcycle. And we add the elements keyword after the class definition of motorcycle. So motorcycle implements drivable, means that turn left and turn right are the methods in the drivable interface that must be implemented in the motorcycle class. And now we select the Add Unimplemented Methods to add the methods of interface with the override annotation. All right, so let's fill in these methods just like we did in the car class. In the turn left method, we print motorcycle can turn left for our message by using the print method. And in the turn right method, we print the motorcycle can turn right message by using the print method. And remember to save the code. Now let's create a main test class that's named interface test in the same package. So in the main method, first we create a car object. So let's call the overridden method turn left and turn right from the class car. Secondly, we create a motorcycle object. And then let's call the overridden method turn left and turn right from the class motorcycle. Okay, are you ready? Let's run the code. And look at that. You see the results right there in the console. The car can turn left and the car can turn right. The motorcycle can turn left and the motorcycle can turn right. See, autonomous vehicles are very easy to program. That's just a joke.